Hey everybody, I'm back in the studio. Today I'm doing a mini tutorial on using multiple shades of colored pencils to color and blend a mushroom cap. What I'm using are a variety of pencils today. So I have my base color is Prismacolor Gray Lavender, that's PC1028. I'm using a Derwent Colorsoft C220 Gray Lavender, similar to the Prisma but a little darker. I'm using Prismacolor Blue Violet Lake, PC1079, Prismacolor Periwinkle, PC1025, Prismacolor Black Raspberry, PC1095, Prismacolor White, PC938, and Prismacolor Black, which is PC935. So as I said, I'm going to use the Gray Lavender as the base, and I'm going to do this in a circular motion, and I'm going to cover the larger area. I'm not pressing too hard. This is just a base coat, and I'm going in small circles. Trying to color around all the spots on the mushrooms. I plan to either leave them white or color them another shade. Then I'm going on to the Gray Lavender by Colorsoft, and I will go down on the lower portion and kind of merging up into the Prisma Gray Lavender. And I want to do a little bit along the top as well. And you notice I have not gone all the way down to the edge of the mushroom, because next up is Black Raspberry. And I'm going to work from the bottom of that up. Blending it into the two Gray Lavenders that I've used already. Pressing a little harder against the line and then easier as I go up. Where the little indentation in the outer edge of the mushroom is, I'm going to go up and kind of make it more shadowed there. I'll do a little bit of that over on this one as well. And I put a little extra color there. There's another one here coming up. I'll just go ahead and color a little bit in there. I'll touch just a little bit at the top. So now we can go back to the original Prisma Gray Lavender, and I want to blend that in. Still not pressing real hard, just kind of medium at this point. Pressing a little harder down along the edge. I want to get kind of a shadowed, deeper shadow there. I am now going to go to Blue Violet Lake, and I want to start adding some bluish shadows in. So along the lower edge of the mushroom where the light might not be hitting it, and up underneath, I'll go right along the edge of the black line. And when I get to this area that I extended, I'm going to color up in there and kind of spread that blue out just a little bit more, not pressing too hard, really light as I get out away from the line itself. And I just want that to represent some dimension in the mushroom. Speaking of mushrooms, I went for a hike yesterday and found several mushrooms in January. That's crazy here, but it's been extremely warm, so I suppose that's why. Now I'm going to go to the Periwinkle. I'm going to increase those shading in there towards the center more, and then down underneath on the bottom. I'm going to go back to the blue violet. I'm going to add a little bit of color up in this lighter area. Maybe just a touch of a shadow over here. A little bit of one up in here. I like using multiple colors together. I think it builds a more rich and complex color when you're finished. This is the Prismacolor Lavender, just going over everything and blending some more. Now I'm going to use the white and kind of lighten an area in the middle and blend that. Along the edge there where the light might be catching it. And then I'm going to take the black and go up along the edge here at the bottom lightly. Just want to deepen the shadows right where the light would absolutely not be touching, down underneath. And that's all there is. Thank you for watching this mini tutorial. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. Share my video if you would like, and I appreciate you watching. I'll include the information on the pencils that I used in the description, and I'll let you know that this book is Meadowhaven by Adele Lorienne. Thanks. See you soon.